Real quick, so hopefully you'll feel safe with me today, right? I've been driving professionally for 30 years. There are superstars like Little Richard, Wayne Newton, ZZ Top, Pat Benatar, Twist Up, Busta Rhymes, Flow Rider, Warren G, the Commodores. Anybody ever seen it? And then we're gonna go to Dolan Springs. We're gonna go to but in 1990. Souvenir place there too, so if you need a coffee or something real quick and just to calm everything down, go ahead and get it. 100 people entrance over there, right? We're gonna go under the bridge. That's what you would have done up there. You would have took a picture. A lot of people, you'll have great luck, right? And you look at her feet; it's all worn out. It's like bronze now. The water used to be right up where the white is. Right, now you get to see that up and close. Now it's 8:30 Nevada time. Right, this is the timetables right here. They filter the water, right? They filter it through into the turbines. It's really cool. Right where these people are standing on the left, that's the divider from Arizona and Nevada. Bunker up there, like an army bunker. Okay, I'll tell you about that in 2 seconds. Heavily armed. There's 4 places over here, four places, right? So that if anything ever happened here, they would knock them out of there or try if they can get this far. The first one is that, you know, when we turn left onto Pierce Ferry Road, that road starts here and it goes